Good morning, students. I am your math teacher from Sivaji Group of Institution. In our last class, we studied our last lesson. Now, for this lesson, we are going to study about simple interest and compound interest. Then, first of all, let's study what is principal amount. The amount which is given or taken for some time from somebody else. That amount is known as principal amount. Okay? And what is interest? Pause. Now, what is interest? What is interest? Interest is the surplus amount which is given after some time to the whole person which has given you some money. Yes, that is interest. And what is amount? Amount is the total sum of money which you return to that lender. That means, what is amount? This will be our first formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Okay? This will be our first formula. Now, how can we find out the interest on that amount, on that principal service money? Then our first formula is equal to simple interest equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay? Then what is P? P is principal. What is R? This is rate. And what is rate? Rate is the extra money given on per 100 rupees. Extra money given on per 100 rupees. If you give 5 rupees extra for 100 rupees, that means this 5, that is 5% rate. Okay, this is rate. And what is time? The amount of which we have taken for how many days, how many time period, how many years, or how many months. That is time. That is T. Okay. From here we can find out our simple interest. From here we can also find out R. R can be find out like that. SI into 100 upon P into T. Similarly, T, time duration, can also be found. What will be time? SI into 100 upon P into R. Similarly, principal amount can also be found out from here. P equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. So these formulas will be essential for you. Okay. Now we are going to do some exercise work. Let's come to the exercise. Pause. Now, in our first question, the second part, the principal is given here. Rate of interest is given 8% and the time duration is given 6 years 3 months. So, and it is asked that find out the simple interest and amount. What do we have to find out? We have to find out simple interest and amount. Then what is the formula for our simple interest? SI equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, we have the principal amount, this one, rate of interest, this 8%, and time duration is here 6 years 3 months. Then first of all we have to find out the time duration in years, because this rate of interest is given is 8% per annum. Okay, this rate percent is given, okay, per annum. Okay, so we have to convert this duration into years. So 6 years, no problem. 6 plus 3. In 1 year, how many months are there? There are 12 months in 1 year. So it will be 3 upon 12. So this will be like this, and it will become 25 upon 4. Okay. So we will put in the formula as simple interest equal to principal is 6360 into 8 into 25 upon 4 upon 100. Okay. Then we will solve this 6360 into 8 into 25 upon 100 into 4. 25 4 ja 100, 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and then we will divide this one and we will get simple interest equal to divide 6360 divided by 2, 3180 rupees. Okay, for 6 years and 3 months we will get that total simple interest is 3180 rupees. So this is our first answer, simple interest, and second one is amount. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So what is the principal? 6360 plus 3180. We will add this 0 4 5 1. This will be amount. Let's come to the question number 4. In this question, principal is given 7560 and simple interest is given this and rate of interest is given 6.1/4% per annum. Okay. And it is asked that what is the time period from which we can find the simple interest from this principal amount. So what is the formula for our, if we want our time, then what will be the formula for this will be simple interest into 100 upon P into R. Okay, what is this? 1102.50 into 100 upon principal amount is 7560 into it will be 25 upon 4. It can be given like this 1102.5 into 100 upon 7560 into 25 into 4. This will come upon. Okay, so we will carry up like this, and further if we solve this, so if we do this 4410.1890 and we will divide this, then we will get 2.333, and if we convert this, then the time will be 2 years and 4 months. Okay, so this will be our answer, and homework for today we will do up to question number 8, 1 to 8.